Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Stanley Kwickset series. Same Stanley as in the Stanley knives. It says solid brass with armoured, I guess, steel around the edge. It's a shutter lock. It's a 7 out of 10 security, which is okay, yeah, I can believe that. It's for outdoor use, so is that a garage? Or yeah, it's a roller shutter. You can use it for your factory use, I guess commercial use, trailers, any kind of secure freight storage. I don't know what else to really say about it. It is what it is. 60mm. It's got some kind of guarantee on it, I'm assuming, but I can't see what because stickers over it. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And it's all locked up. So I guess what I want to do is try and do an out of the pack pick on this one. Don't really get the opportunity. I buy so few new locks. Oh god, that's really thick plastic. Because new locks are far more expensive, and second-hand locks are just as good for a lock picker and collector. So that's what I tend to go for. But when we have a lock like this, it's a bit of a treat. Oh, 20-year guarantee. Didn't expect that. Pretty cool. All right, so what do we get? Get some keys. Little lock. I assume this works very nicely. Doesn't look like you can gut this one, but it works very smoothly. I mean, you could probably take the this shackle out, but it looks like it's all been press fit in, so might not get to see the pins on the inside of this, but nevertheless we'll have a go at picking it. What I need for this is some kind of top of the keyway turner, which is thin enough that just having a look around what I've got, which is thin enough to go into the top of the keyway and not get in the way of anything. And that looks perfect. Then we've got the keyway there. Let's see what I've got for that. I'm looking for a short hook, maybe just a plain old short hook like this. Yeah, that'll work, and just go in and press up anything that feels like it needs to be picked. I think that's pin 2, pin 1. In fact, could I get away with the bottom of the keyway tension? That would be a lot more comfortable in a lock like this. Need something a bit thicker, bit thicker. What do I have here? Would that work? I see something which is more sort of comfortable. Oh yeah, that'd be so much better. Now I can reach over like this. Okay, let's get in there. Perfect. Pin 2, nothing on 1, pin 3 here. Into a bit of a false set. Does it have security pins in? Maybe. Go back to the back. So this is pin 3 now. It's giving some form of counter rotation, I think. Or not. Don't be picking the warding. Pin 4. It's giving a lot of yeah, it's going to false sets, but it's really deep false set, so I might need a little bit of manual counter rotation, and we're open. That was strange. So it definitely has some kind of spool pin in there, some kind of security pin. I had to ever so slightly manually counter rotate that to sort of pick it out of its false set. But yeah, we're open. Very strange little lock. I might have a quick go at raking this. I'm not going to worry if I don't get in, because we are already in. But let's see if I can get a what do I have? Just need a bow guitar or something like that. We'll just see if I can get in there and rake this open. I might not be able to, you know, because I just felt the lock go into that false set, but I don't know if I can sort of rake my way out of it. So if it does hold up well to being raked like this, I think that's a pretty good sign. What I could do is swap over to something like a snake rake, a bit more sort of precision maybe that would help. Just lock it back up and give this a little snake. Yeah, so there we go. We can rake it. Just I've moved over to a snake rake instead. Why would that help? Well, if you've got some highs in the lock towards the middle, for example, something which is a bit flatter like a Bogota triple peak, you might be overlifting some of the pins either side. With the snake rake, you can go sort of in the middle and angle it a bit better. It's just a nice tool to use. So there we go. Maybe a tiny bit better than I was expecting, but I mean, still not exactly great. So that's the Stanley Kwickset Series 60mm armoured shutter lock picked out the pack. 7 out of 10. A bit generous. I'd probably put this more of a 4 to a 5, but other than that, not too bad. If you like this video, please give it a like. Any comments about this lock, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, then please do subscribe. It really helps me out, and I will see you all next time.